Hi everyone, this is your daily weather hazard briefing from the National Weather Service office here in Pocatello, Idaho for Saturday, February 22nd. We've got some patchy dense fog out there once again this morning. Certainly not for everyone, but you may run into a few pockets of that here and there. But our next system is still on track to arrive overnight/early Sunday morning. So we're going to talk about that because that is actually going to kind of continue not only through Sunday, but even through Monday and even in a little bit into Tuesday. It's kind of a 1-2 punch for us there. Again, we've got some warmer temperatures on store as we get into next week and, really about the first half of next week. And then we'll continue to watch for any potential for some kind of lowland flooding or ponding as we see some rain on snow in some of our areas, along with just these general warming temperatures. So here's a look at satellite early this morning. Again, the patchy fog is a bit patchier even than what we saw yesterday. A good chunk of it is confined a little bit farther north today. But again, you may run into a few pockets of that here and there. But you can also see that next system starting to move in with plenty of cloud cover moving into the west early this morning here. Small chance for a few flurries on and off today as we've got some higher level clouds moving over some of the lower level clouds, but if you do see some flurries today, that's about all that they will amount to. Again, our next system arrives overnight tonight into early Sunday morning. That will bring a mix of rain and snow, although for most of us in the valleys it's mainly going to be rain, and basically anywhere close to and above pass levels is where we'll see the most snow with this system. Again, this is kind of Sunday into Monday, kind of that 24-hour period will be where we see the bulk of that moisture, a little bit of a break, and then kind of a lighter round of some more moisture as we kind of go Monday night into Tuesday. Forecast highs for today, we're going to continue our gradual warming trend with a few more of us making it closer to 40 degrees this afternoon. Farther north into the upper Snake River Plain, temperatures are going to top out right around freezing or so. As we get into Sunday, again, we'll warm up another couple of degrees, although more of us will make it to that 40-degree mark. We will start to see the wind gusts pick up on Sunday too, with more of us kind of around that 30 to 35 mile per hour range for some of those winds. And some of that is actually going to be kind of strongest Sunday night and through early Monday. Monday's just kind of a breezy day for us, and then those gusts will continue around that 25 to 30 mile per hour range throughout the day on Monday. But that will help us warm up a little bit more. Yes, some of us are going to be pushing low to mid 50s as we get into Monday afternoon. More of us into the 40s farther north. So again, that warming trend certainly is going to continue. So we get into Tuesday, temperatures, they'll drop a little bit, but again, most of us are going to be seeing 40s to almost 50 degrees for our highs there on Tuesday afternoon. So here's a look at kind of our total moisture for this event. Keep in mind, again, most of it's going to fall in about a 24-hour period from Sunday through Monday. But again, we've kind of got a little bit of a break and then another round of some moisture as we get into Tuesday. So by the time all is said and done, this basically covers 3 days, give or take. A lot of us are going to be looking at a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch of rain down here in the valleys. Some of us pushing closer to a 1/2 inch. That's going to be a little bit more few and far between, though, for those of us that actually make it to the 1/2 inch mark here in the valleys. But as you go up in elevation, especially into parts of the central mountains where we're going to see the most moisture out of this, you're talking closer to 1/2 inch to an inch of total precipitation. As far as what that means for snow, again, a lot of us, you're going to have to get higher up into the mountains to kind of get some appreciable snowfall out of this. So Galena Summit will probably be the big winner. And again, this is over about a 3-day period. We're talking maybe 8 to up to about 12 inches of snow. But those numbers drop off very quickly. Areas like Stanley, you're looking at a total of about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Ketchum, closer to 1 to 2 inches of snow. Again, this is over a couple of different days here. So certainly not all falling at once, but the bulk of it will fall Sunday through Monday. So again, we've got that patchy, dense fog out there this morning. Certainly not for everyone, but you'll notice a few pockets of it if you are out and about traveling, especially farther north. Overall, not expecting a whole lot going on as far as moisture-wise today. If you see anything, probably a few flurries. But again, as we see temperatures warming up and rain falling as we go through the weekend and start the week, we're going to continue watching for any flooding concerns. Of course, if you happen to see any ponding or anything like that, you can always give us a heads up. Can't be everywhere at once, but we do our best. We always appreciate some of that ground truth that you can all provide us, so feel free to email or call us. Overall, we'll see some warmer temperatures continue through the weekend and early next week. Of course, you can always find the latest weather information too from us either online or on social media. Have a great day.